In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate your GoDaddy domain email from Microsoft 365 to Google Workspace, 5 minutes. We'll start in GoDaddy. Open your domain's DNS settings and lower the TTL on your MX records to 300 seconds. This shortens propagation time so your mail switches to Google faster with less downtime. Now switch to the Google Admin Console. From the homepage, open Account, then Domains, and choose Manage Domains. Select Add a Domain and enter your GoDaddy domain. Next, create user accounts in Google that exactly match your existing Microsoft 365 email addresses. Keeping names identical ensures messages land in the right mailboxes after migration. Google will prompt you to verify domain ownership. Add the provided TXT record in your GoDaddy DNS, wait a moment for it to propagate, and return to the wizard to confirm. Continue through the Google Setup wizard to finalize the domain addition. Before migrating, make sure you have global admin access to your Microsoft 365 tenant managed through GoDaddy. In the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, confirm IMAP is enabled for all users since Google's tool relies on it in some scenarios. Temporarily disable multi-factor authentication for the accounts you're migrating to. Avoid authorization blocks during the transfer. Plan to turn it back on right after. Back in the Google Admin Console, go to Data, then Data Import and Export, and open Data Migration. Set the migration source to Microsoft Office 365. For the connection protocol, choose Auto Select or Exchange Web Services. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft 365 admin credentials to authorize the connection. Map accounts by uploading a CSV or adding each pair manually, specifying the source Microsoft address and the target Google address. Click Start, and Google will begin copying emails. You can monitor progress and leave it running in the background. When the migration shows complete, it's time to send new mail to Google. In GoDaddy DNS, remove the old Microsoft MX records and add Google's MX records. Then, in the Google Admin Console, click Activate Gmail to trigger a DNS check and confirm everything is configured correctly. After the MX change, run the migration one more time to capture any straggler emails that arrived at Microsoft during propagation. Once you've verified all mail is present in Google and users are working in Gmail, you can safely cancel the Microsoft 365 portion of your GoDaddy plan. At this point, restore your normal security settings, including multi-factor authentication. You're done. Your domain mail is now fully on Google Workspace.